Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to create animated text on Instagram story. So let's start. First open the Google Play Store and search for Hype Text app. This app is completely free with over 100,000 plus downloads and 4-star rating. So download this app and open it right now. Now tap on the play button. Now tap on the tick icon. Now tap on the image icon to access your gallery. I'll just select an image. Now tap on the tick icon on top right corner. Now edit the text. And tap on the play icon. Now you can choose from many styles as well as text colors. I'll just choose a style and a color randomly. When you are done, tap on the downward arrow button at the top of the screen and tap Save as Video. And the video will be saved to your gallery. Now close this app and open the Instagram app. Now tap on your profile picture on top left corner to add a story. Now select the video from your gallery. And here you'll see the text is being animated on your story. Now post it. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.